In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language, time zone region, and sign in Cisco WebEx. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what each setting does so your meetings display correctly and your WebEx experience feels familiar to you, wherever you're working. Start by signing in to your WebEx account on the web. Open your browser and go to settings.webex.com or use your organization's WebEx User Hub. If your company uses single sign-on, follow the usual prompt to get into your account. Using the web portal is important here because these account-level preferences are easiest to change and manage in a browser. Once you're in, head to the area where account preferences live. Depending on your site layout, you'll either see a Settings option, or you may need to open Profile or Preferences. The names vary slightly across WebEx sites, but you're looking for the section that controls general or location-related options. In that General or Location Preferences section, start with your time zone. This controls how meeting start times, calendar invites, and recording timestamps appear to you. Pick the time zone where you typically work. If you travel often, you can update this when you change regions so your upcoming meetings line up with your local clock. Keep an eye out for daylight saving options. WebEx handles most of that automatically, but selecting the correct time zone ensures it adjusts properly. Next, choose your language. This affects on-screen menus, prompts, and often the language used in email notifications. Select the language you're most comfortable with so navigation and reminders are easy to understand. Then set your region or locale. This doesn't move your account anywhere. It simply tells WebEx how to format things like dates, numbers, and sometimes the week start day. For example, you might prefer dates as day month year instead of month day year, or decimal commas instead of decimal points. Pick the locale that matches how you read and write dates and numbers in your daily work. When you've made your selections, click Save to apply your changes. Don't skip this step. Your updates won't take effect until they're saved. You should see a confirmation that the preferences were updated. If you don't notice the changes right away, refresh your browser. The updated settings will carry over to other WebEx experiences tied to your account the next time they sync. That's it. Sign in on the web, open Settings or Profile Preferences, set your time zone, language and region or locale, and save. With these configured, your meetings, messages, and notifications will appear just the way you expect.